we have finally come to a long review. This is Unit 14 review. Part 2, page 3. Make sure tomorrow on your test or when you take your test that you allocate your time wisely, as it is about 30 questions and you still have just 50 minutes. The sum of two numbers is 580. X plus y equals 580. The difference of two numbers is 150. X minus y equals 150. Find the largest. Go away for elimination. 2x equals 730. X equals 365. And 365 minus 150. Oh yeah, could do that. Minus 150. 5, 1, 215. So one number is 365, the other number is 215. I want the largest, so that is the answer that I want. What are the factors of the polynomial modeled below? So, the large squares are squares, so that's an x squared and an x squared, and that's an x, an x, an x, an x, an x, and these are ones. Okay? Darks are negatives. So this is 2x squared plus 3x minus 2x minus 3, which becomes 2x squared plus x minus 3. Factor 2 minus 3 minus 6 minus 3 plus 2 gives, plus 3 minus 2. Sorry about that. Plus 3 minus 2. 2, negative 1. 1 and 3. 2x plus 3 and x minus 1. This is your final answer, and that is this factored. Anne makes this an hour and she worked that many hours. Write an expression that represents the amount of money. 4x plus 3 times 2x minus 1. It is implied that you simplify and multiply, so that is 8x squared. 6x plus 6x minus 4x minus 3, which is 8x squared plus 2x minus 3. And that is your expression. Factor completely. Take a 3 out, x squared minus 9, difference of two squares, 3 times x plus 3, and x minus 3. That's 2x and 2x, that's 6 and 6. 2 times 6 times 2, 2 times 6 times 2 is 24. So it is a perfect trinomial. So it is, I'm going to also, it is a perfect trinomial, but first I'm going to factor out a 4. So there's a 4 times x squared minus 6x plus 9. There's my square. So that equals 4 times x minus 3 squared. Let's see. Minus 3 gives me positive 9. X squared minus 3x minus 3x. This is your answer. Find an equation best describes the data. Up by 6. Up by 3. 3 over 6 is your slope, which is 1/2. Oops. 0.5 is m. Go back 6 would be 0. Go back 3 would be 20. That's my y-intercept. Y equals 0.5x plus 20. That is finally your review and your completion of your review for Unit 14.